Today I am showing you the teaching aid of a playgroup class in which students will learn about different types of shapes. First is we will explain them which shapes are there. So students, which shape is this? This is a circle. Which shape is this? This is a triangle. And which shape is this? This is a square. And after this we will tell them that you have to match the shapes on the other side. Like this is also a circle. Where we are going to match? We will match here? No. We are going to match it here? No. Are we going to match it here? Yes, we will match it here. Wow, they both are matching. And after that, we are going to take second shape. Which shape is this? This is a triangle. And where we are going to triangle? We are going to attach the triangle here. Wow, again they are matching. And the third shape is square. And where we are going to attach the square? We will attach the square here. Now we have the same shapes on both the sides. Thank you.